ladies, today I would like to show you how I made this Marilyn Monroe Lolita coordinate with only the things in my wardrobe. Let's go! So for makeup, she doesn't have usually any eyeshadow, and so I will do just big lashes, a little bit of eyebrows, see if I can do a little bit of eyeliner, wing, but it never works well with me, and then big red lipsticks, and of course the dot. And also she doesn't really have blush but a bit of bronzer, so let's try that. So this is it for the makeup. So now I'm going to use my blonde wing from Lock Shop that is short, and I'll just do something with the bangs, and I think it will work quite well. I won't have to style it that much. So remember, this is not a cosplay, this is a Lolita coordinate, and I'm doing it only with my wardrobe, and this is one of my favorite wig, and I don't want to style it like a cosplayer, so technically I should do something like this and take a lace front wig and everything. But this is not the case with this wig. I won't do that because I want to save my favorite wig. Usually I'm doing a heart with it, so I don't want to mess with this bangs, but I'll try and do something more like this and then come here. It's a shame because it's really like this very iconic look that I can't do with this wig, but that's fine. Yeah, I really don't want to mess too much with this wig. And I want to do the white dress, the one that gets poof. And unfortunately, I don't have a super white. I have only a black and white dress, but we'll work with that. And she has white earrings, as big like a stone or something, but I'll do pom-pom earrings because they're cute and big and white. The earrings are from Paris Kid and the wig is from Lock Shop. Yeah, I like it. Okay, so let's get the dress. So the whitest dress I have is Cinderella Story from Metamorphose. Actually, I have another one, but it's an OP with the long sleeves and everything. And so that would not work for what we do. I think I'll wear this one alone with no blouse. And to make it like a tie, like a halter neck, I can remove the straps and then we'll see if I'll tie them in the back or just cross them and they will give that look. We'll see. I think it actually looks cool. Yeah, just here, I don't know if you can see, there's a bow, black bow here that I will remove so the dress is more white. Thankfully, it's a detachable bow. And now let's talk about shoes. She doesn't have any tights or socks, so I'll go with more bare legs. And she has white, strappy, very tiny heels, but mine are very big and bulky Lolita white shoes, but I think I should go with these anyways. So these are the shoes. Let's do that. Actually, I noticed that all the stuff from the shoes are removable, so that will make it way less normal. Not normal, but less OTT sweet Lolita. So let's remove that. So these are the shoes. It's not perfect, but it does look a lot more like hers. And I wanted a lot of poof, so I'm doing this very big petticoat from Aurora and Ariel. Maybe I'll even put the second one, we'll see. For the photo shoot, I wanted to try something with a big fan under, but I don't think my dress is flowy enough that it would make any difference. So I think I'll just do it like that with the holding the dress, and the petticoat will make the floating effect. Maybe I'll add a second petticoat. This is annoying, but no, I think it will work. Even though this is black and not white, I think it gives Marilyn vibes, so I like it. I hope that you like it too. This is a new series where I try to reproduce famous characters from movies, video games, whatever, pop culture in general, or even famous people. And making a Lolita coordinate that would be inspired by them. So if you want to participate, at the end of every video, I will showcase your versions of those characters. And if you want to see who are the upcoming characters that I'm going to see, I will post them on my Instagram, on my website fluffykawaii.com, and on my community tab on YouTube. So feel free to check it, and there will be a link to submit your coordinate and I will showcase it here. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, everybody can be kawaii. Bye bye!